What is going on? You know, this is Altone, and welcome to another absolutely fantastic day. Today, I wanted to share with you the POCKELITE F7 Mini RGB light from Falcon. This is one awesome little light. I've had the opportunity to go through it. I actually did an unboxing before that I did not share, but I wanted to take the opportunity today to actually share this with you. This light is fantastic. So I don't know what it is, but everybody wants to do the nice little box like Apple. They're all following that. In the box, you have your manual, of course. There's not a whole lot to the manual. It's not a whole lot to the light itself. And this is, it's a little tight in here, but that is the light. So first off, so LED light panel does have this nice little cover over it. So there's a display panel across the top, which usually for lights this small, you have your display panels on the back. But this particular one has this display panel across the top, and then your power button and your adjustments and your charger are all on this one side. On the bottom, you have a 1/4-20, which will allow you to connect it to whatever stand or anything that you want to connect it to. And on the back, these two little silver pads are actually magnets. They will magnetize, connect to anything that you want to connect it to. This bad boy will definitely connect to whatever it is that you want to connect it to, and they are pretty strong magnets. It's not coming off. I can pretty much tap this thing around and it's not going anywhere. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. Of course, the light itself. And if you open this up like so, inside is a case. It's possible you can have too many cases. I have cases for everything. If I don't have a case for it, I make a case for it. This is fantastic. It's got a nice little zipper on the top. All the other accessories come inside this case. So nice little pocket here for stuff. Got a little carabiner so you can clip it on to whatever you need to. And a loop. There's a small little a loop back here that allows you to connect it to, or run something through it to connect it to other things. Inside of here, you'll find all of your accessories. So as you pull everything out, nice little opening there, pretty much the right size for everything to fit into. Your light can probably fit in the back and all of your accessories into the front of this. So if you just wanted to have something to be able to easily toss it into a backpack or any kind of bag, this is perfect. You just toss it in a bag. You always have it with you if you need it. Make sure you keep it charged, of course, but if you need it, it's available. You got it. You can just go. In here comes a couple of different accessories. One of them, of course, is this nice little mount. It's got a cold shoe on the bottom and also a 1/4-20 in the bottom there. You can just take this and attach it to something and you're good to go. This is pretty awesome right here. Then, of course, your power cord. It does have a USB-C connector. So you have a USB-C power cord. And then your softbox. This is a nice little rubber material softbox that fits over it. Doesn't matter how you put it on. Either way, you're still going to have access to your controls and your display. And that's how that fits on very, very nicely. And the same thing with this, your directional light modifier. This little bad boy will fit on the exact same way. Slips right on. You still have access to your 1/4-20 on the bottom, and you still have access to the batteries on the back. And no matter where you put it, you can look down from the top and see your settings on your display. So all of this comes into the box. I know that Falcon actually has another version of this light that is not the mini, that I think is very good as well. It's a little bit more expensive. This one is around about $53, and it comes with everything as we're recording this. You might be able to find it on sale. I would look for the sales on it, but I will link this down in the description, as I said. Ton of different features, and I'll have those all listed here somewhere of what the different settings are that you can cycle through on this light. It's just so many functions, and it's pretty much no way that you cannot find the function that you need for this light. It's just awesome. This little light is just awesome. On top of that, it doesn't stop there. This light comes with an app. So we can take this light, attach it. I don't know, I got this little thing set up here. And now we can change the color of the light. So there's so many different things. If you wanted to, you could use iTunes in your music, and it would actually flash based on the music that you're playing. And if you wanted to take a picture from your cell phone, if you want to have it change to a specific color, you can have it change to this color. So I'm going to try that red. And whatever that color is, so like this has got a bunch of colors on it, I can actually go here and hit the little dropper and it will find that color. So this is one powerful little light. I mean, powerful little light. And I mean, you cannot beat it. Honestly, it's just awesome. If you're looking for a nice light as an accent light, or if you're looking for something that's going to help you light yourself when you're doing video, this is an absolutely fantastic option. I've got so many different RGB lights. I'll be doing some more videos on some of those. A few of them maybe a little bit more, a little bit less than this one, but I'm telling you, out of the ones that I've received so far, this is one of the best lights. And I imagine Falcon Eyes has a lot of different lights that you can use for lighting your videos and things of that nature. They have so many different ones. This one is one of the best that I've seen. If this is something that you think would benefit you in some way, or you'd like to just check it out for yourself, make sure you go down into the description. I'll have a link down there. It is an affiliate link. It will absolutely help this channel to grow, and I look forward to hearing what your comments are in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again in the next video.